we're starting off with a French braid updo. For those who don't know how to French braid, all you need to do is split your hair into 3 sections, and starting with the left side, we're going to cross it over to the right and continue grabbing another strand of hair. It takes a lot of practice and patience, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. You can leave it as it is, or if you want to make this hairstyle even more cuter, you can add 2 bows. We're going to be doing a braided crown, and instead of doing French braids, we're doing Dutch braids. So instead of braiding over, we'll be braiding under. I have thin hair, so I feel like this would suit people with more thicker hair, and if you have the same problem as me, you can always add more volume like I did. Next, we're going to elevate how we do a ponytail. We're going to grab the top section, split it into 2 strands, and twist. As we twist, we're only going to grab pieces from the right side. You want to make sure you're twisting into smaller sections to see the hairstyle better. We're also going to leave a section near our ear to tie later. I really like this hairstyle. The only downside is on the other side it's just flat and does not have any volume, but if you're only looking at me on the right side, it's cute. For this hairstyle, we're going to twist your hair like the previous hairstyle and stop by your ear. At the end of the twist, we're going to add the rest of your hair in the loop and do a Dutch braid. In my opinion, adding front pieces and volume does elevate the hairstyle, especially if it looks bland at first. Also, it's kind of like an unspoken rule, you just naturally do it when you do hairstyles. Or at least I do. Looking back, I could have done this hairstyle way more neater, but that just shows how easy it is to do and not because I was lazy. This hairstyle, I was just playing with it and actually liked how it turned out. Not the first time though. All you have to do is tie your hair in a ponytail, and we're going to make a twist by looping the pony inside to create a bun. It's kind of difficult to explain, but by just looking at how I do it, you can tell how simple it is. Hopefully. I will say though, this bun may work better if you have a similar hair length as me. The last easy hairstyle we're going to do is just a twist on the top section of our hair. All this hairstyle does is create a bit of volume in your hair, and if you want, you can finish it off with a bow. I hope these hairstyles are easy to follow, and hopefully you're a visual learner because I am terrible at explaining. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!